Welcome to another episode of Making It Keto, and today we're making the classic McDonald's McGriddle. Y'all gonna like this. It's gonna be quick and easy. Stick around. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, before we get started, guys, I want to say this. Thank you guys for the support and my continuing returning subscribers, for watching my videos and getting YouTube to catch the algorithm. But guys, we're almost to 1,000. I think we're at like 6 something. We got a few more to go. So guys, if you can help me get the channel to 1,000 subscribers, I would really appreciate that. So if you've been liking the content and if any of my recipes been helping you on your keto journey, please guys, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the like videos if you like it, and hit the thumbs down videos if you don't like it, and leave comments and ideas of what you want me to make or turn into keto. Guys, I'm here for you to help you on your keto journey. Okay, let's get into the recipe. All right guys, it's gonna be a quick and easy one. So we got some of our dry ingredients already pre-mixed into a bowl. So what I have here is our almond flour, we got our baking soda, and our sweetener. So guys, let's just go ahead and get this all mixed together, and then we'll go on to the wet ingredients. Also, I'll have the exact amounts and measurements in the description box below, so refer to that, guys, for the exact amounts of what I use. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start adding in all of our wet ingredients. All right, so important thing, guys, here you want to make sure everything that we're using is room temperature. The reason being is because if it's not, everything won't mix well, and your batter will have a different texture. So just make sure you got your eggs and everything room temperature. It makes the recipe mix a lot better. Okay, we're going to go ahead and add in our vanilla, and we're going to also go ahead and add in some of the super creamer, guys. You can use heavy whipping cream or just almond milk, but guys, I like using this. Just give it a different texture and a different taste. All right, now seeing that it's the fall season, we're going to add in about a teaspoon of nutmeg to give it a fall taste, and we mix, guys. So now what we want to do is get everything incorporated. So what I like to do is I like to add my coconut flour last. So it's a mandatory of 1 tablespoon. But if you guys want your batter thicker, you can go ahead and add in half a tablespoon at a time to get the desired texture that you want. But 1 tablespoon was well enough good for me. But if you guys want to add more, feel free. And this is what I'm looking for in my batter, guys. All right, so to cook these pancakes, I'll be using the Dash Mini. It's the pancake style. So if you don't have this, guys, don't worry. You can do it on a skillet or on the stove. I use this because it makes for easy cleanup. All right, guys, here's the game changer. We'll be using the Chalk Zero pumpkin spice syrup to infuse inside the batter to get that iconic, McGriddle taste. This is what's special about the McGriddle, is that syrup infused into the bread. So guys, I even tried to make the McDonald M, and it actually came out well, guys. But this is a game changer. It's highly suggested. I like the Chalk Zero because it's so close to the conventional syrup. You can't beat it, guys. I'll leave a link below in the description where you can get it at. All right, now while my pancakes were cooking, I went on in and cook up some bacon, some sausage, and some eggs. So guys, you can kind of do this however you want, but I had to do fully loaded. I had the sausage, the bacon, and the eggs, and the cheese. I know McDonald do American cheese, but I don't do American cheese. I actually did a Colby Jack cheese, and guys, it came out amazing. So I want to show you guys what it looked like when everything was put together. That's it for the video. Y'all know the motto here at Making It Keto. We make it keto easy by making everything keto. So guys, don't forget, if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. If you love the channel and the content, how about subscribing to the channel for weekly keto recipes? I will see you guys in the next video.